Did you wake up with your shoulders creeping toward your ears, still carrying yesterday's stress in your neck, jaw, and traps? This 5-minute flow is your permission slip to let go. Let's hit the mat. Start kneeling with your hands behind your back, fingers interlaced. Pull your knuckles toward the floor and gently lift your chest to the sky. If you've been working at a screen or carrying emotional weight, the stretch hits both. I promise this will unlock tight pecs, reverse shoulder slouching, and restore breath to your upper lungs. Beginners, just place hands on the lower back instead of clasping. Advanced stretches, gently hinge forward while keeping arms lifted. Here's a surprise. Tight chest muscles can literally restrict how deeply you breathe. This opens the cage back up. Can you hold 5 more seconds without clenching your jaw? That just cracked open your heart space. Now let's unwind the wrists. Come to all fours. Turn your palms or fingers face your knees. Lean your hips gently back to feel the stretch in your forearms and wrists. This is essential, especially if your hands spend hours wrapped around a phone or mouse. I promise this decompresses the carpal tunnel and relieves tension that travels all the way up to your neck. Beginners, keep elbows soft and lean back slightly. Advanced stretches, straighten arms and deepen the lean while keeping palms flat. Do you feel the stretch along the base of your forearms yet? If not, your setup might need a small shift. Hold for 5 more seconds. Now roll those wrists out. That just resets your grip. Now let's move upward. Sit tall or stand grounded. Drop your chin to chest, then slowly roll your head to the right. Pause, then circle left. Go slow. This isn't just about your neck. It's about reconnecting with your nervous system. I promise this loosens the suboccipitals, the deep muscles at the base of your skull, reduces eye strain, and releases stark emotion stored in the neck. Beginners, keep it small and stay pain-free. Advanced stretches, add deep breaths at each side of the circle. Did you know that the base of your skull is where tension and poor sleep meet? Do you feel a knot releasing? That's your nervous system letting go. Let's keep that wave of release going through the side body. Stand tall, reach your right arm up and over to the left. Left hand rests on thigh or reaches down. Switch sides halfway through. This isn't just a shoulder opener. It's lengthening your ribs and obliques to give your lungs more room to breathe. I promise this improves posture, decompresses the spine, and stretches the fascia that locks down your shoulder blades. Beginners, keep the bend gentle. Advanced stretches, reach further and spiral your heart slightly up. Hold this stretch and take a full belly breath into your ribs. Do you feel how one side already feels lighter? That just resets your breath pattern. Now let's finish with some full body circulation. Stay grounded or stay seated. Roll your wrists out in slow circles, reverse directions. Now shift focus to your ankles, point flex and circle them both ways. This is your reset button for the day. I promise this simple move improves proprioception, joint health, and helps clear neurological fatigue. Beginners or advanced, it doesn't matter. This move is for everyone. When was the last time you thanked your wrists and ankles for carrying you? Let me know in the comments. Hold 5 more seconds. Breathe in, breathe out. That just gave your entire system a calm, clean slate. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that help reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. All delivered daily to your email inbox. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.